you're from hell and then you back to the world. Like, I don't know what it is. What it is? Oh, what's up? Tonight I'm gonna have myself. Okay, it's what up? It's me again and another unboxing again. Well, today we're gonna unbox. It's already open actually, but it's okay. It's all good. It's called Go2 Plus from Soundtech. Sound. That's the front of the box. Can you guys see it? Okay, better. That's the other side of the box. It's a like the yeah. This is the back of the box. It says so many things, but I don't want to read it for you. Why would I? And there was the spec too. If is it right here? I think so. And the other side, like this baby girl using this product. Like I I think this is the future. You can like why you buy this so you can see this like alright, top of it. I already opened it, but I'm not. Yeah. Oh, like what? And this is the back of it, and there's QR code. Maybe I should cover it, like for some reason, maybe it's something that I have to use, or maybe not. Or like, let's open it. Here we go. I need mic so that for for the better audio. I will not use this recorder, or maybe, but right now we have wireless mic. Wireless without cable. Here we go. We got the three shades, two mics and one transmitter, if I'm not mistaken. They don't have the and we got this this box in a box. What? Windshield, we got two of them, so that okay, that's so many of it. And I think this is the manual of it. Hold on. And the warranty also. Hold on, let me read it. Oh, okay. Here we go. Let me read it for a second. Okay. So many things to do, but here we go. Two windshield, and then we got this cable. Oh, this one is for the camera. As you can see, we have this. Okay, it's blur. It's for because the lighting, but it's okay. This is cable for the camera. I don't know what it is. Oh, stop. I think this is for the mounting for the transmitter. And then we have this USB. Hold on. Is it USB to USB? What? So you can like USB Type C to USB. That's good. I guess Type C to Type C. This is Type C. Okay. And this. Okay. This for the phone. Cable for the phone. You can plug to microphone to the this thing, so that like this is for the charge, I guess. Yeah, for sure. And then this the mic. Here we go. We get the lavalier. What? Okay. So we're gonna use this to the recorder or the the camera. Here we go. I'm so excited. You guys excited? No? Okay, it's all good. Okay. Okay. There you go. It's a magnet. Look at this. Look at this, my boy. It's a magnet. Damn. I see you, Soundtech. We have to turn it out first. Hold on. Let me open this plastic first. Do you have to open it? Yeah, I guess so. Oh, here you go. There you go. We open the plastic. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, it's right here. Do we have to open it? I think so. Yeah. Because like, okay. Okay. It's gonna take a while, but shit, it is what it is. So many plastic, dude. Hold on. It says Soundtech. Can you guys see it? Okay, we got one battery. Let me. This is the mic. Where's the transmitter? So which one is? Okay, this is the mic. Okay, this is the transmitter. Okay, let's try this one too. Open up the plastic first. I heard that this thing is so good. Okay, hold on. You just open it like that, or you have to open it all right, like that. Okay. I'll be back in a minute or in an hour. So I'll see you soon. So I charge it. This charge have 3 USB 3. Oh, my bad. As you can see right there, bam, it's charged. So I'll be back in like oh shit, I'm not using my recorder, man. So I hope the audio is good. I hope so, because I'm straight to the microphone of this camera. Oh, okay. I'll see you soon. I'm back with this new mic. I don't use my recorder. I already charge it so that you guys can hear. This is the low of the mic. Let's go try the mid one. This is the mid one. Is it high? Tonight I'm gonna have myself. Okay, let's go with the high one. Tonight. Oh, it's too loud, man. I can see the shit. Damn. Okay, hold on. Hup. Tonight I'm gonna have myself. Okay, it's too loud. We're gonna try the winch. Oh shit! What the fuck? Here we go. Oh, there you go. This is okay. So you can do this. Damn. Is it good, man? Hi, it's me. My name is Nothing. My name is Nothing. Don't worry about it. Okay, we're gonna try with the mic. Hold on. Shit, we get this. We're gonna try with this. Can you guys see that? Oh shit, it's not focused. There you go. It's focused now. Is it? Okay. Damn, Ethan. Okay. This is the low one because the mic is over here, I guess. C. 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 Okay. A little bit about, I don't know what it is. What it is, ho, what's up? But what up? It's that G. Okay. Oh, okay, cut. We're gonna try the Bluetooth. Let's see how far he get. Is it the cable? I hear zzz. What is that? I think the cable. The cable is messed up. Okay. Let's try how far this thing can get. I'll be back in a bit. Damn, Ethan. Damn. 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 Okay, so I'm behind the camera right now. Oh shit. Hold up. Hold up. Technical difficult, my boy. Shit. There you go. So, here we go. How? You guys can hear me? You guys can hear me? Alright. Here we go. Going up on a Tuesday. Okay. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up on a Tuesday. Oh, there was a ghost. There was a ghost. Hold on. There you go. Okay, can you guys can still hear me? You're supposed to. Di sana tempat lahir beta. I feel like you're from hell and then you back to the world. Like, jing, 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 jing. No, that's Compasel song, but is it good? The audio is good. Okay, let me try. Okay, I think that's all for the review. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah.